In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Outlook. We've all been there, a moment of panic after accidentally deleting an important email. But don't worry, recovering those emails is quite straightforward. Just follow along as we go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you have the application installed on your device, or you can access it through a web browser by visiting the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a sign in option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you use the credentials associated with the account from which you wish to recover emails. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're accessing the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where the navigation pane is located. Here you'll see a variety of folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. What you're interested in is the folder labeled Deleted Items. Click on it, and this is where all the emails you've deleted will be temporarily stored. It's important to note that emails remain in this folder for a certain period, typically around 30 days, depending on your Outlook settings. So be sure to recover them before they're permanently erased. Once you're in the deleted items folder, the next step is to find the email that you wish to recover. You can scroll through the list or use the search function if you have a lot of deleted emails to sift through. When you locate the email in question, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. What you're looking for is the Restore option. Selecting Restore will move the email back to its original location. Typically this means the inbox or whichever folder it was originally in before deletion. And just like that, you've successfully recovered your email. It's worth mentioning that the restored email will retain all its original attachments and formatting, so nothing will be lost in the process. As a final tip, consider regularly organizing your emails and creating archives for messages that are important. This practice will help keep your inbox tidy and reduce the risk of accidental deletions in the future. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily recover any deleted emails in Outlook, saving yourself from unnecessary stress and ensuring that important information isn't lost. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.